there any placement guarantee? Will you provide any placements? Majority of the job seekers have these questions in their mind while choosing a training program. And our answer is there is no such thing called guarantee in this world. So no company would ever hire you or give you a placement guarantee without evaluating your skill set. So don't ever trust any job guarantee or placement guarantee claim, or rather focus on building your skill set. So if you are ready to upskill yourself and improve your knowledge in aptitude, communication, problem solving, and most importantly coding skills, we Xplore IT Corp have several companies in association who are ready to hire you. So elevate your skill game with Xplore IT Corp and be 100% placement ready. Thank you.